Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be reviewing some data science courses from PluralSight. At the end of this video you're going to know as a beginner or advanced if this platform is suitable for you or not. Let's start this video. As I said, I'll be reviewing data science channel. Let me click on it. And in this channel, I'll be reviewing some courses related to data science from PluralSight. Now I'm going to be trying to compare it from two perspectives. The first one will be as if I am a beginner. I know nothing about data science or machine learning, and I want to start learning data science and machine learning using the PluralSight. Is it suitable for me or not? The second perspective I'm going to take is if as a intermediate to advanced data science and machine learning, are the courses from PluralSight going to help me or not? Now let's start. Now whenever I say, now we have path, something called path. We'll get to that, but before that, if I want to learn data science as a beginner, the platform that I'm using should give me an entire path, just like Google Map. You know, in Google Map it tells you your starting point and end point, and in between it tells you how much it's going to take you time to reach your destination, and if it's there a traffic or something. That website or platform should give you a path that tells you should start from this course, and then you go to the next course, and then the next course, and then after that you have to do a project, and after that you go to the advanced courses till you reach the end and do the capstone. Unfortunately, in PluralSight we don't have such a thing, but there are paths. I'll show you what I mean by that. Now let's start for this channel. In this channel we have something called Big Picture Enterprise Data Management, which is a beginner course, and then we have representing, processing and preparing data. Now these are mix of beginner. This one is beginner, and then we have advanced, and we have intermediate. Now forget about the order. All these courses are important, but not now. Let's say if I want to learn data science using Python, that platform should at the beginning give me an introductory course for Python, and then I'll learn data visualization with Python, and then I'll learn data analysis with Python, and after that I go to the machine learning algorithms. So until now, the channel is already mixed courses, but I'll show you what I mean in the path. Now let's say here we have a path called data analytic literacy. I'll click on it and let's see the content of path. Now at path we have beginner, intermediate and advanced. We have beginner, and we have two courses in the beginner. And then we have intermediate, and we have two courses from intermediate, and then we have advanced, and here we have two courses of advanced. But again, this one is data analytics literacy. Are you using Python? Are you using R? And these are like 2-hour courses, 3-hour courses. Basically PluralSight are kinda like identical to LinkedIn Learning, which was lynda.com. So even if there is a path of data science with Python, the Python courses, let me show you here. Python, let me write Python, let's say Python fundamentals. There are courses for Python fundamentals, but they're not in the path. You have to look for them separately. Like you have Python path, and then you have core Python path. Let me just go to the Python path. Okay, fine. It's going to start with Python, the big picture, and then core Python, and then Python variables and data science, data types, and then using list and dictionary, which is good. These are the beginner. And then we have intermediate, and then we have advanced. Here, advanced. Now again, this path for Python is for general Python. It's not for Python in data science or data analyst. Trying to get my point here. Here it will tell me the fundamentals of Python generally. There is no data visualization, matplotlib or Seaborn courses, and there is a Flask. So there is a path for Python, as a general Python developer, not as a Python for data science. Let me try to write Python for, let's see if there is a path for Python for data science. Bringing data science, see all path. Data science, interpreting data with Python, Python for data. Okay, we have Python for data analyst. The Python for data science, Python for data science, data wrangling in R. No. There is no. Let's see. Python for data analysis. Building your first Python. Again, that Python for data analysis. At least tell me that I should go and watch the Python beginner, the Python courses which we saw earlier. Okay, these are the courses that you should know if you want to pursue data analyst in Python. And we have advanced, and we have intermediate here. Cleaning data, fine. Still not explaining everything, but yeah, fine. Where is data visualization? There is no data visualization. Data wrangling, okay, but you should teach me data visualization and data analyst. I mean, how I'm going to represent the data, right? These are the core concept of data analysis, which is data wrangling, cleaning data. Okay, but again, there is no data visualization, so something is missing. So in short, as a beginner, I mean you have no idea what data analysis is, have no idea what data science and machine learning is. As a beginner, you will find all the courses, but they are scattered all over the platform. You need a path like Data Camp and DataQuest, and some of the Udemy courses, which is start with bootcamp or 0 to mastery or something. They give you chapters like chapter 1 introduction to Python, chapter 2 data analysis in Python, chapter 3 data visualization in Python, and then start with Jupyter crash course and stuff like this, you know. And then start with machine learning algorithms and projects and capstone and deep learning, all that stuff. You'll find all these courses here, but they are scattered. Even the path, they don't teach everything. So again, all this video is my own opinion. As a as a beginner, I would not recommend PluralSight. I will recommend PluralSight if you have watched, let's say, Udemy course, one of the boot camps they have there, like a comprehensive boot camp course, or you finished data camp, data science or data analyst track, or from DataQuest you finished at least one of the paths they have, and then you can come here and watch these courses separately. You don't need to take a path. Take them separately. And an advanced course, again, one of the things that I like here, that they have entire path for feature engineering. And now feature engineering is one of the important topics in data science, and usually they don't teach it really well in Udemy courses and some of the DataCamp and DataQuest courses. Feature engineering is one of the important topics you should know, and if you are a data scientist or machine learning engineer, I would recommend that you at least have 1 or 2 books regarding feature engineering. So here, when I saw there's an entire path for feature engineering, even if it's a course are like not that comprehensive, but still there is a path, and still there are some courses, and there are more than 4 courses here. So this is one of the good points I found in that PluralSight. So in short, you are a complete beginner. You have no idea what data science is. You have no idea what machine learning is. You want to learn data science or machine learning or deep learning or data engineer in Python or in R. As a beginner, I would not recommend PluralSight, even though there are courses and you can make your own path, your own plan, but you need someone to guide you. Even the path, they're not comprehensive if you just go and follow the ready-made path. I would recommend, if you finished at least some introductory courses from Udemy or Coursera, EDX, DataCamp, DataQuest, you can find all these. DataCamp, DataQuest, I reviewed all the path on my channel. You can find them. I would recommend you check PluralSight after you've taken an introductory course and you want to learn more. Like for example, you want to learn machine learning or data science from Microsoft platforms like Microsoft Azure. So if you can click on data science literacy, it will start explaining Microsoft Azure. So you will here, building and training and validating modules in Microsoft Azure. So this was this video, and hope you like it. Please like and subscribe, and you can find other reviews regarding data science and data analyst on my channel. Thank you so much. Goodbye.